Tesla's end-of-quarter push is in full effect at the Fremont Factory as the automaker pushes to deliver as many cars as possible before Q4 begins. In fact, a Fremont Factory employee showed how well Tesla's end-of-quarter push is underway. So Tesla has routinely made significant progress and growth in terms of vehicle deliveries each quarter, and a strategy the company has used in the past is a huge end-of-quarter production push. You have remember Elon Musk always saying, let's make another push for end of the quarter. Tesla will call on any employee available to assist in any way possible, all to increase the company's delivery figures before a quarter closes out. It appears Q3 2022 is no different, as an Instagram post from an employee at the Fremont factory showed the lot where factory workers park is full. The lot where the factory's workers park their cars is full, and we at the wee hours in the morning. Tesla is preparing to close out Q3 with a massive spike in production and deliveries as the final few days of the quarter approaches. Instagram users Arisa Bish showed the employee lot early this morning in a post describing the unique parking situation at the factory where the end of quarter push comes. By the way, I will have his link in the description of this video so you can see that. So he said, actually he wrote, I usually park right in front of the Tesla sign, but today it's a fully packed house since it's the end of the quarter. Guess what time it is? It's 4 o'clock. There will be folks fighting over parking spot, I guarantee you that, he wrote. 4 o'clock in the morning. Tesla's end of quarter push has brought great results in the past and only helps the automaker increase delivery figures. The Fremont factory is the only Tesla production plant that produces all 4 vehicles the company currently offers to consumers. Gigafactory Shanghai produces the Model 3 and Model Y, and Giga Berlin and Gigafactory Texas build only Model Y crossovers, at least for now. But I think that will change. I think Cybertruck will also be built at Gigafactory Texas. Tesla investors will be happy to see the company employing the technique in Q3, as Tesla is coming off the first time in nearly 3 years that is not coming off a quarter where it reported growth in deliveries. In Q2, Tesla reported 254,000 vehicle deliveries, a decrease from the 310,000 deliveries it reported in Q1. This was due to a shutdown in Shanghai factory for 3 weeks in Q2. You remember that, I reported that. Tesla will deliver over 1 million vehicles for the first time in a year in 2022. However, projections are conflicted, and with the unpredictable nature of the current climate in supply chain, nobody truly knows how many cars Tesla will deliver by the end of the year. What do you think? How many cars do you think Tesla will deliver by the end of the year? I would like to hear your comments, and I'll look forward to reading them, and I will respond, everybody. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Tesla has 4 new products coming soon, and this doesn't include the Semi, Roadster, or Cybertruck. Let's see what they are. As Torque News Tesla reporter Jeremy Johnson and Kim Java YouTuber talk about these 4 new things Tesla is about to bring to the market. And like I said, this is not Roadster, this is not Semi-truck. Tesla has been a topic of great discussion lately. Their 4 primary vehicles are the Model S, Model X, Model 3 and Model Y, which Tesla hopes to make the best-selling car in the world. Tesla is going to have 4 new products doubling their lineup coming soon. Here they are. Elon Musk even said on one of the latest earnings calls that Tesla could not offer new vehicle models because Tesla's overall vehicle output would decrease. It makes sense to me. It takes time and effort to learn to build a new vehicle. It also takes space, people, and material, which will take away from other vehicles. So, the one product that I want to tell you, one of these 4, is HVAC. One of the new products is something that 90% of people in the United States at least are using every day. This is the HVAC system. This is used for air filtering, removing 99.7% of dust, pollen, mold, and bacteria. The impact on range for newer Tesla models is negligible. Tesla will eventually be making these for homes. Tesla could also make an HVAC system that saves energy, cleans the air, and could even create clean water. What do you think about that? Portable solar trailer. The next product is a solar range extender trailer. This is a portable add-on to a Tesla vehicle that is expandable, actually extendable solar panels that can charge your Tesla vehicle. It's like having a mini solar panel farm. There are 240 volt outlets to send power to electric vehicles. It is clear that this is a prototype, but this is a product that would be incredibly useful for an electric vehicle. A range extender for the Cybertruck could generate 50 miles of range a day, and solar wings that fold out could add 30 to 40 miles a day. I think that's great. Next is a Tesla van, an electric van from Tesla. Elon Musk has shown interest in having a Tesla robo-van, and is something Elon Musk has brought up many times before. He said Tesla is definitely going to make an electric van. He said the van would also be designed to help people with disabilities so they could get in and out easily. And during the Cyber Rodeo event this past spring, he said that Tesla was making a dedicated robotaxi for ride sharing, and that the design would be futuristic. So a lot of people thought it would be a van. Next one, Tesla boat. This one product is so critical to Tesla that Elon Musk has said it's the most important product Tesla has undertaken. The Optimus robot is aimed at reducing the burden of the global labor market and to increase the global economy. I don't know if there is a burden in the global market. I just don't want people to stay without job and become lazy. With Tesla's Optimus robot, you are getting a human-assisted robot that has the same power as Tesla's full self-driving software. It may look silly, but it will bring next-generation features to people. It will do the boring and repetitive things that people don't want to do. Everything you do is going to be boring one day as you repeat it. Anyway, Elon Musk is considering programming Optimus to have a unique personality and be a companion of sorts. It could make an incredible body like C-3PO or R2-D2 and can do 45 pounds and walk about 5 miles per hour. So what do you think about all of these new products from Tesla? Will the Tesla boat be bigger than the vehicle business? I don't know, but I'm not excited about boats. I'm not excited about artificial intelligence. What if one day we can't control them anymore? I don't like this idea very much, but this may be coming. I wanted to report and see what you think about this. How can they be controlled so they don't take over the real humanity one day, huh? What do you think about that? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, friends. I'll see you soon in our next report. Tesla is recalling nearly 1 million US vehicles because the windows can pinch a person's finger when being rolled up. In this report, I'm going to tell you which vehicles are involved in this new 2022 Tesla recalls, so you know if your vehicle is involved in this. So Tesla says in documents posted Thursday by US safety regulators that the automatic window reversal system may not react correctly after detecting an obstruction. Have you noticed anything if you have one of these Teslas? So the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration says that's a violation of federal safety standards for power windows. An online software update will fix the problem, Tesla says. So this is an over-the-air recall. Most of Tesla's recalls are like that. So the recall covers certain 2017, 2022 Model 3 sedans, some 2020, 2021 Model Y SUVs. Also included are some Model S sedans and Model X SUVs from 2021 and 2022. Tesla discovered that problem during production testing in August. Owners will be notified by letter stating November 15. The company says in documents that vehicles in production got the update starting September 13. Tesla was not aware of any warranty claims or injuries due to the problem as of September 16, according to the documents. So basically, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration says a closing window without the reversing safeguard may end up pinching a driver's passenger's little fingers because it retracts. Imagine guillotining your pinky finger on a Tesla window. That's a rough go of it, right? So Tesla is going to implement an over-the-air recall, along with the over-the-air update coming to Teslas that are already in customers' hands. The company said vehicles in production and pre-delivery will also receive the software update. So until your Tesla has the latest update, perhaps you should watch where you put your finger when you're near the window of your Tesla. Let me know what your thoughts are. Are the over-the-air updates big deal or no? I mean, over the air recalls, a real recalls or no? And do you think this is a big deal or small deal? Let me know, friends, in the comment section below.